So we're just going to test this PETG, see how it breaks, eh? We probably want to go quite close. Oh, it's a lot of stress.
Yeah, and the video keeps fucking changing frame. I think it's
and
good
it's
now.
deforming. Yeah. Let's try more of this way test, eh? Let's see how it crumbles under the layers. It's still strong as fuck. Wow. Let's go on this side there or something.
Oh yeah.
You can see the split.
This way.
It's not fucking splitting. Wow. That's awesome. Oh yeah, there we go. So that was a huge amount of force. There's a big crack here. Keep going. So it didn't shatter on the layer, which is really good. That means the layer adhesion is really strong. Oh, fuck. Crushed. Wow. That was... Stuff's pretty strong. Cool.
Cool.
So this is the PLA version. It's Bamboo PLA. The Bamboo's the brand, which I think is really not. I think it's not strong. Let's find out. First of all, I'm using almost no force, just one finger. Very easy to do. That was a crack that way. It's already splitting here. I guess we'll just crack it and watch. It's just nothing. That wasn't even a quarter of the force. I mean, the biggest difference is there's hardly any infill, which I guess we could have compared this one and printed the same infill, but it would have made not much difference. PLA is just not strong enough for the job. This was huge. Cool.